Welcome, innovators and designers. Today, we're diving into the Heroic Design Dashboard. Let's get started. Here we are at the dashboard, your command center for all your design projects. First, let's explore the navigation bar on the left. At the top, you'll find My Projects. This section lets you filter your projects by private or secret settings. We'll discuss these options in the video about creating a new project. If you're looking for help, check out the options at the bottom of the panel, but we'll save those for the help options video. At the top in the center, you'll see notifications. These keep you updated on important changes like software updates or new videos. You can open the notifications or dismiss them to clear up the view. Now let's move to the heart of the dashboard, your project cards. Each card represents a project. The one you edited most recently is at the top left, making it easy to pick up where you left off. You can double-click on any card to open the project. But wait, before you dive in, you can also single-click on a project card to preview its details. Here on the right, you'll see the project's name, description, privacy setting, owner, and timestamps for creation and last modification. Everything you need at a glance. From here, you have three key actions: open the project, edit its settings, or delete it. Let's break those down. Open Project does the same thing as double-clicking on a project card. Clicking Project Settings brings up this dialog. Here, you can update the name, description, privacy, and even the product category and project type. We'll learn how to set these up in the Create a New Project video. But tread carefully before you change product category or project type. Changing these settings affects the criteria you use to make decisions. We'll review criteria in detail in the Ideation Step 3 video. It also changes the context that your AI co-creator uses to predict ideas for you. The farther you are into your project, the more impact these changes will have. So, decide carefully. Finally, let's talk about deleting a project. First, single-click on the card of the project you want to delete. Then double-check the name and description at the top right to make sure it's the correct project. Click Delete Project from the right side panel and this warning dialog appears. Type the project name in the confirmation box, then click Delete. The project name is in quotes at the top of the dialog box, and it's also in the entry field. This is not a time to make mistakes, so this step ensures you don't delete a project by accident. And that's it. Now you know how to navigate and use your dashboard like a pro. One final bonus idea. If you want to change to dark mode, click on your avatar, then switch theme. If you are ready to start brainstorming user communities and problems, you can hit that Create Project button and get started. We cover that in the Create a New Project video. I recommend watching that video as you create your first project. See you there.